Here's a tutorial in PowerDirector on how to slow down a clip or how to speed up a clip. First of all, click on it and hold down the Ctrl key and drag the end to the left, let's say. So Ctrl and drag. And now if we play it, we can see that the clip is pretty fast. So we just increase the speed. We sped it up. Okay, let's stop it. Let's undo it. If you hold down the Ctrl key and drag the end to the right, now the clip will be slowed down because the cursor has to travel a longer distance. So that's a slowdown. Okay, let's stop it. We can do the same thing with another method. So click on it and click on Tools and Power Tools. Okay, and since the video is already slowed down, this video speed is already checked. If I uncheck it, then it returns to normal speed one time, and if I check it, it returns to sped up, slow down speed. Okay, here we have some more options. Speed adjustment, and here the speed is also visible, 0.5, so it's slowed down. You can either manually drag it to the lowest value, which is 0.1, that is 10 times slower, or you can increase the speed to up to 100 times. That's a bit too fast, but you can do it. Okay, let's set it to a normal value, let's say 4 times, and we can preview it from here also. So that's 4 times speed. Okay, and we can do some other modifications. So the original length of the video is 35 seconds. You can adjust the speed manually. You can type in, let's say, 20 seconds. So instead of 35, now it will be exactly 20 seconds. Of course, if you add zeros there. So now it's exactly 20 seconds. If you accept it, then you have the new 20-second length. Okay, let's go back. It's here, video speed, speed adjustment. Okay, and we have this option also, select range. Okay, now it will discard the other options. Okay, and we have this button, create time shift. It's the same as this one, so click on it. It adds this yellow rectangle, and you can adjust the position of that one inside the clip. And inside the clip, this portion can be either slowed down or sped up. So you can slow it down to 1/10 of the speed, or you can speed it up to 100 of the speed. But ease in and ease out, those smooth transitions at the beginning, at the end, are available only at around 3 times speed, 3.5, something like that, 4. So if I increase it to a higher speed, ease in and ease out is not available. So let's slow it down. Let's check ease in and ease out. Okay, and accept it. Now if we preview it, in the beginning it is its normal speed, and then it reaches to that yellow rectangle area, which is this one. So here it is faster, and then as it's exiting from that portion, it is returning to the 1 times speed. Okay, so let's go back, speed adjustment. So this is the normal 1 time speed. That's the 5.9 speed with ease in and ease out, and that's the normal 1 time speed again. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.